Welcome to the newest channel, The House Extras, with me, Packy Hanrahan, and today is the first day and the first match of a bowling ball tournament where we're gonna go bowling ball versus bowling ball and see which bowling ball can come out on top. So for the first section of the tournament, we have all of the pearl balls. Today's video, we have the Crypto Boom versus the Tundra Fire. Starting off with the Tundra Fire. I've warmed up with both of these. The Tundra Fire is gonna be a little more snappy. Tundra Fire, not Crypto Boom. Ah! Ah! Strike. I think the Crypto Boom hooks a little more. It's a little stronger core. So I'm gonna move about 3 right with this. Maybe it's not more. Might hook a little more, maybe not that much more. Back on this fire. Might need another messenger on this rack. That ball is getting every hit halfway through this game. Halfway through, and I say that as we're 2 frames in. I'm gonna move right on top of the Tundra Fire and see what happens. Same hit, kind of. Close. I'm gonna move 2 with both of the balls because obviously tripping 6s is not perfect ball motion. Tundra Fire. Point. As I'm bowling this game, now that we're in like the very initial portion of the game, I want you guys to let me know which bowling ball you think right now is gonna win. And at the end of this whole tournament, and at the end of each bracket section, this is the pearls, the solids, and the hybrids, 4 balls for each. At the end of each bracket, we will be giving away 1 ball and giving away an overall 2 people who consistently comment and who consistently follow along. So the rules of that giveaway: you must be a subscriber, you must click the link down below in the description and enter, and then as always, it helps when you comment and let us know which ball you're rooting for in this match. You might know which ball I'm rooting for. Moving 2 as well with this Crypto Boom. This ball clearly is stronger, clearly. I think the first shot just tricked me because it wasn't as good. It was a little in, a little fast, a little too rolled, so it just never quite hooked. Can't believe that didn't make it. Tundra. Hiya! Oh my God, sticky. But it don't matter! I'm gonna go another 2 with this Crypto Boom. I don't know why it's hooking so much. Good golly Wally, that ball just won't hook. Since I don't have a spare ball, we're gonna count the easy spares automatically. Yes, I said 7 pins are easy. Oh, all right. Letting this Crypto come back into it almost here. We're about halfway through this game, and I think I've made the wrong move with the Crypto. I moved too deep, and now I'm seeing maybe a little over under, so I gotta stay a little further left, almost with both balls, and kind of throw it a little harder, which is my normal move on house shots. So I'm going 2 back left with this Crypto, and I'm giving him the pipe. Yes, there we go. I will say this Crypto is absolutely a little smoother of a bowling ball. It rolls more forward, so if I get it to the dry, it stands up really quick. And if I miss the dry, it almost goes too far down lane, where it's smoother, but it still has that shine and has that pearl in it, where it wants to get down lane and be smooth. So unfortunately for me, it's a little harder to manage when they're not burnt up. And this Tundra Fire seems to be a beast. I moved 1 back left with the Tundra Fire and just upped the speed a little bit because obviously my last shot like barely tickled the head pin. Really mixed them up in like a weird way. It's Crypto Boom. Golly, you see it, like for me, I see it stand up and go forward, but I'm just not sure it's gonna be able to beat the Tundra Fire. I think it has its place in the lineup when they're really burnt up and I need to really chase it further left. And the Tundra Fire is almost the opposite, where I could stay further left and throw this almost on a more fresh condition, just with the amount of control that it's giving me. However, right now they're fresh, so advantage Tundra Fire. Keeping that speed high. Ooh! This boom's gonna get an opportunity to creep back in a little bit here. Tundra Fire, a little too far down lane on that one shot. It's got a hook just probably like a foot or two earlier. Hello. Back to the Crypto Boom. I really need to strike here because I got a chance to get back in it a little bit. Ooh, I think throwing it harder is definitely, with the amount of this Crypto Boom hooking a little more and really squaring up a little more, I think hooking it earlier with this Crypto Boom is definitely the answer. And we got a game. Tundra Fire, I'm gonna slow back down after that 7 pin. Move to right and slow down. All right, we're hanging in. Right now I got 259 left with the Tundra Fire and 246 left with the Boom. So it is absolutely essential that this ball keeps striking. I'm not putting more pressure on myself, but I kind of am. Ooh. Need a slow-mo replay on that one. I moved like an additional 1 back left and up the speed even more. Definitely not gonna do that again. Oh. I mean, it wasn't my best attempt, but it definitely wasn't my worst. Once again, essential that this ball strikes. Now it's got to strike to stay in the lead. Smooth ball advantage, I guess, once I've made the appropriate adjustments. Advantage smooth ball. Smoother ball. This is still the pearl ball section. Still the pearl ball section, smoother, not smooth. So here's the deal, still 246 left with the Boom, 239 left with the Tundra Fire. I would say a double here is pretty crucial. Double here forces the first one from the Boom. This is what we call the anti-clutch. Split first shot in the 10th with the Fire, and I really think I needed a double. Now any mark will take it home for the Crypto Boom. Hey. I saw that same carry down again there, but that'll do it. The Crypto Boom came out on top, ahead of the Tundra Fire. Some bad moves late with that Tundra Fire. I honestly thought I was gonna shoot 300. But anyways, that is the first part of the tournament, and I will be back finishing that pearl ball side of the bracket. So for all of you watching, thank you. Don't be afraid to click that subscribe button down below for more videos and the completion of this bowling ball tournament that we're bringing to you for the next couple weeks.